Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be giving my wife a little surprise. You'll know what it is by the title of this video. She already knows it's a surprise for her because she already tried to open it and I had to stop her because she opens everything. Little carbon fiber for the wifey. So she's kind of been wanting these. As soon as she got the car, she said that she wanted them. Being that you guys already know by the title of this video that she's been saying that she wanted some of these boys. I don't want her to hear me, so just in case she can, because she tried to eavesdrop. Hold on, she's vacuuming. Carbon fiber mirror caps. So that's what is in this box. I'm gonna give her this box and she's gonna see what it is inside. Hi there, with your little apple juice box. There's a present for you.
Can you hold
here's
my
a
apple
knife.
juice?
I guess I trade you. What do you think it is? No, don't tell me because I think you'll somewhat know. Because
I don't know what it is. I really have no idea. How do you open it?
Okay, be gentle. Alright.
My mirror caps?
Yes.
Look at them.
Full carbon fiber. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, sweetie. I love them.
I guess we're gonna install this on the car.
Yeah, we're gonna put these on right now.
Alright.
You know, I was literally just thinking how I couldn't wait till I got my mirror caps. Like when I said about the wheels and tires, I was like, oh, I can't wait to get my mirror caps too.
Our mirrors actually came with carbon fiber wrap on them. We are not a fan of carbon fiber wrap, as you could tell from the day we got this car. Why am I still have your juice box?
Oh, thanks.
From the day we got this car, we ripped all the carbon fiber wrap off of it, off the hood. So we just left this one because I think it's either like silver or white underneath here, and I thought black mirror caps would look pretty cool while we are waiting for these suckers to come in. So let's pop this cover off and we'll show you step by step how to do this whole entire install. Alrighty, as you can tell, wifey all excited about this, so that was a good purchase. Basically, we're out here in a secret location because children are extremely loud and I didn't want you guys to have to deal with all that screaming in the background. But here I brought two.
Not our children, just so you know. We don't have no kids.
No, not our kids. Don't have kids. They're the devil. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is
just pry this puppy off.
Yeah, that's basically it. Oh, shampoo.
Boom.
That was a little
Don't
aggressive.
Need that no more.
Oh. Okay.
You gotta go pick that up. That's littering.
So basically with this, I'm pretty sure you just slap it on there.
Pretty sure.
This is going to be the easiest thing in the world. Line all your holios up. Okay, that's definitely not lined up. You need a little bit higher. Yep.
This does not fit my car.
Probably because it's upside down.
It's the wrong mirror cap, guys. It's the wrong one. This does not fit right.
Nice. As you can tell, we're experts and we know what we're doing. This is a great DUI.
Yes.
DI. No, not DUI. DIY. No, yep, there we go.
I knew that. Okay.
Alright, gotta find your holy boys.
Don't break the mirror, my dude.
Oh, shampoo. Just a little finesse. I'm a freaking doctor. I'm a doctor.
You just broke it, you mother trucker.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You just heard the piece fly off. I know you all heard it.
No.
He just broke it.
I'm a doctor.
He broke it inside. He broke the insides. They're gonna bleed out.
They're not gonna bleed out.
They're definitely gonna bleed out.
Hey, we don't have to talk about it. But it's on there. Would you just look at that? Okay, maybe on the next one we won't be as aggressive, but
she look pretty good, my dudes.
Would you
look at that. She all pearly, shining.
Yeah, we're actually going to clean that up. We kind of got our fingerprints and crap all over it. What? But look
she
how
on
cool
there.
it is. So you just see, you see how cool that looks compared to our doll? We're littering, by the way. Littering? Yeah, just look at this. There's no wang. It's fake carbon fiber wrap. It's poopy. looks like dirty butthole. And then would you just look at it?
Guys, I'm ready.
That's pretty sick. Okay, hold on. Before she goes like full ape style on us and rips this off again. Alright, let's get our new one. The one that we tried to put on the first time upside down and we were like, why doesn't this fit? Let's pop that in first. And then we'll slowly work our way in to the other side and make sure we get this bottom part in. Oh, I didn't hear that one snap. That
Nope,
actually...
because I'm better than you, my dude. But mine did not break like yours broke.
Okay, we don't know if it broke.
No, we know it broke. I know you guys heard it too. It snapped in there.
Okay, whatever. It sounded nice. Okay, shampoo, you guys. Got this one done. Trying to guard the wind noise because it's kind of windy. But look at it.
Don't worry, guys. I'm picking up my litter.
She's
We're
picking
not
up her
gonna litter.
her trash. Anyways, these look pretty sick. Give you a slight little montage of my shaky, steady hands. I'll put a link for these down in the description below on Amazon, so then you guys can pick these up as well. It was super good fitment. Everything lines up. Everything looks like factory. And it's nice carbon fiber weave through it. As you can see, it is actually really, really good. And these were only $99, and I'm really surprised and very happy with how they turned out. Pop up the hood. Pop the hood, my womans. Okay, so if you've seen our other video, you've seen that we installed this intake. Actually, she did it all by herself. So if you haven't seen that, go check out the other video of us installing this intake. We're gonna do a full-on B58 440i Grand Coupe build. And next, that is coming, I don't know why there's like oil coming out of it. Maybe that might be a sign that this thing is about to explode. The charge pipe on these, sometimes it blow up and sometimes they last forever. It depends on what happens with yours. I just got a new one just in case, and I don't want to be stranded on the side of the road, so we got one from CTS coming, and we'll be doing an install video of that as well. If this is one of your first times ever seeing our videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. What are you doing? If you haven't subscribed to us, we got this build. We got a wide body 335i that we're building. It has a big old single turbo on it. We might even do that with this car.
That's a no for me.
I think she just wants to run 9s. I don't know what she's talking about. But if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, get this video a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video.